Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of the year, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. From its futuristic design to groundbreaking new features, this electric beast is turning heads everywhere. First off, the Cybertruck's design remains as bold and controversial as ever. The angular stainless steel exoskeleton, now enhanced with Tesla's new ultra-hard coating, ensures that it's tougher and more durable than any vehicle on the road. Tesla has also introduced adaptive LED lighting that automatically adjusts brightness based on driving conditions, adding both safety and style to the Cybertruck's aggressive look. Inside, the Cybertruck is as futuristic as the exterior suggests. The minimalist dashboard is dominated by a massive 17-inch touchscreen, now featuring Tesla's latest UI, which is faster and more intuitive than ever. The cabin is spacious, with seating for 6, and features new vegan leather upholstery that's both durable and sustainable. But what's really exciting are the new features. The 2025 model introduces Tesla's updated full self-driving FSD 3.0, offering near-complete autonomous driving capabilities. This version includes improved neural network learning, allowing the Cybertruck to navigate complex urban environments with ease. Additionally, Tesla has incorporated solar panels into the truck bed cover, providing up to 15 extra miles of range per day purely on solar energy. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Cybertruck doesn't disappoint. It comes with 3 motor options: single, dual, and tri-motor AWE. The tri-motor setup boasts a jaw-dropping 0 to 60th time of just 2.8 seconds and a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds. The range has also seen an upgrade, with the top-tier model offering up to 550 miles on a single charge, thanks to Tesla's new 4680 battery cells. And let's not forget the Cybertruck's legendary air suspension, now with even more customizable ride height settings for off-road adventures. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck starts at $49,990 for the single-motor variant, while the tri-motor ADD will set you back $79,990. While it's on the higher end, considering the groundbreaking features and performance, it's a competitive price point in the electric truck market. So, there you have it. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is pushing the boundaries of what we expect from a pickup truck. With its innovative features, incredible performance, and unmistakable design, it's clear that Tesla is redefining the future of driving. What do you think about the 2025 Cybertruck? Is it worth the hype? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting reviews and updates.